everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be looking at the topic education and globalization. We'll also explore how globalization impacts the educational system around the world with special focus on Nigeria. So let's get started. Globalization refers to the increasing interconnectedness and interdependence of the world's economies, cultures, and populations. It influences many aspects of life, including education. But what exactly is the relationship between education and globalization? Here are some key ways globalization affects education. 1. The curriculum changes. 2. Technology integration. 3. Access and equity. 4. Cultural exchange. 5. Economic opportunities. Let's look at it one after the other. First one, curriculum changes. Globalization encourages educational institutions to adopt curriculums that reflect global perspective and competencies. This means including international context and focusing skills such as critical thinking, collaborations, and cross-cultural understanding. In Nigeria, schools are increasingly incorporating global themes into their curricula. Subjects like global history, environmental studies, and international relations help students understand their place in a globalized world and prepare them for global citizenship. Next, we have technology integration. Globalization has accelerated the adoption of technology in education, making information and learning resources more accessible. Online courses, educational apps, and digital collaboration tools have transformed how education is delivered and received. In Nigeria, technology is being used to bridge educational gaps. E-learning platforms and mobile apps provide access to quality education, even in remote areas. Initiatives like Federal Government Digital Nigeria program aims to enhance digital literacy and promote technology-driven learning. A good example will be yourself, who is probably sitting at home, but watching this video and getting value just as though you were in the classroom. However, access and equity remain significant challenges. While globalization can increase access to education, it can also widen the gap between those within resources and those without. Socioeconomic disparities, digital divides, and unequal access to quality education are critical issues that need addressing. For instance, in Nigeria, there is a sharp contrast between the well-funded urban schools and under-resourced rural schools. Efforts to ensure equitable access to education are crucial for leveraging the benefits of globalization for all students. Cultural exchanges is another important aspect. Globalization facilitates the exchange of ideas, values, and traditions between cultures through education. This promotes mutual understanding and appreciation of diversity. In Nigeria, cultural exchange programs and international collaborations expose students to different cultures and perspectives. These experiences broaden their horizon and prepare them for a multicultural world. Lastly, we have economic opportunities. Economic systems that align with global standards can enhance students' employability in the global job market. Skills such as language proficiency, technical know-how, and cross-cultural communications are highly valued. For Nigerian students, this means that better jobs prospects both locally and internationally. Educational reforms that focus on skill development and global competencies are keys to unlocking these economic opportunities. If you found this video helpful, please do make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If you have questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll be responding to them. See you again in my next video. Bye for now.